Welcome to Haven and Green, where we explore beautiful home ideas that transform everyday spaces into something truly special. Basements are often one of the most overlooked areas in a home, but with the right vision, they can become one of the most useful and valuable spaces you have. Instead of using the basement only for storage, many homeowners are now turning it into a functional, stylish, and comfortable extension of their living space. A well-designed basement can serve many purposes. For families, it can become a cozy entertainment lounge where everyone gathers to watch movies, relax after a long day, or spend quality time together. With comfortable seating, soft lighting, and modern design elements, the basement can easily turn into the perfect place to unwind. For those who work or study from home, the basement can also transform into a quiet and productive home office. Because it's separated from the busy areas of the house, it offers a calm environment that helps improve focus and creativity. With the right lighting and smart design, it can feel just as inspiring as any professional workspace. Basements are also perfect for creating guest suites that give visitors their own private and comfortable space. A stylish bedroom setup, warm lighting, and thoughtful decor can make the basement feel like a luxurious hotel room. Many homeowners are also using their basements for health and wellness spaces, such as home gyms, yoga rooms, or peaceful meditation areas. Having these spaces at home encourages a balanced lifestyle and makes relaxation more accessible every day. What makes basements truly powerful is their flexibility. They can evolve with your needs and lifestyle over time. Here at Haven and Green, we believe every space in a home has the potential to become something extraordinary. And with the right ideas, your basement can become one of the most beautiful and functional spaces in your entire home.